Progressive Magazine, January 2024, exercise number 5. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Then there is the question of the statement I made in Bombay. What is the crucial point of the statement? I had said at the Amritsar Congress and at various other places repeatedly that Bombay would be given an opportunity to decide by some democratic process what it should do and where it should go. For my part, I would be exceedingly happy if Bombay went to Maharashtra. I have absolutely no reason against it, and I think there are many good and valid arguments for Bombay going to Maharashtra. But I say there are valid arguments also on the other side. In this difficulty, we thought that the best way was to allow Bombay to decide. It may be done even now, but as I pointed out, the conditions have been such and so much passion has been aroused that it is not yet the right time to decide it. Let things cool down. I have repeatedly said that normality should prevail and then the people should decide. I do not mean that you will necessarily have a referendum and all that, but if there is a good atmosphere, I have no doubt that it would be far simpler to settle this matter without any such cumbersome procedure. I was hoping for that, and I still hope for that. At the meeting of All India Congress Committee in Bombay, I was not to my thinking making any announcements of a great decision. I was merely stating what I had stated repeatedly, my view, and I am somebody after all. A prime minister is a prime minister and he can lay down the policy of the government. I know something about democratic procedure. I know something about party procedure. I know what the prime minister's duties are, and in the constitution that we have and Britain has, the prime minister is the linchpin of government. To say that the prime minister cannot make a statement is itself a monstrous statement. I entirely fail to understand where the honorable member has got his acquaintance of democracy and of what under the present Constitution of India and England the Prime Minister is, what he can do and what he cannot do. I am something more than the Prime Minister. We are all something more. We are the children of the Indian Revolution, and that still exists in our body and spirits. Stop.